This round is on me. Do your best or worst impersonation of me.
So like, I just want you guys to be careful because COVID is a real thing, and I need you guys to be safe. I love you guys so much, but like, I just want you guys to be safe. You know what I mean?
I didn't even know she was going until
I was going. You need to love yourself. No, but actually, you need to love yourself. No, really, you actually need to love yourself.
the finger. Ari's like shitting her pants.
I can't think of anything. No, I'm not gonna drink. Guys, I'm gonna cry.
Be honest.
Just cut out like parts, so don't feel like it has to be perfect.
Oh, I'm so red.
I've always wanted to be like, hello guys. Time to drink, time to drink. I always want to be like, hello. Welcome to my channel. Subscribe. This is how I do my makeup. This is what I'm wearing today. You vlog for me. Vlog takeover by you.
Oh, this one. Who knows this?
Welcome to my separate.
Oh yeah, wait.
Thank you.
Is that cute?
Cheers.
Welcome to my one fridge.
Sangria with the girls. Okay, so what do we need, Esther?
2 apples.
Okay.
Maybe a lemon.
Okay.
Orange.
Okay.
It's cream pear.
It'll make it good.
Sweeter. And then we
Okay.
gotta melt sugar.
Okay.
Put a little liquefied sugar.
Okay.
Meet us at phase 2. We're just gonna put it
Oh
in
yeah.
the fridge. And it's funnier that way.
Sad apple. Or is it a lemon?
I think it's a lemon.
Jamie, what's the most embarrassing thing you've had to ask people?
I have a lot too. Really don't want to answer?
The person asking this question now has to answer.
What? Oh my god.
I like it.
Yeah. So that's probably the.
I thought I liked it, but I didn't like it.
That's mean. I want to know your answer. You don't answer.
No, her question was the person asking
She was
this question.
right.
Yeah, why did you?
Why didn't anyone stop me?
I thought you just wanted to say. Sangria, cheers! Literally tastes like vacation. She's the shortest in our lives, and she's like.
Look here first for a second for my Polaroid. Ready? 1, 2.
Do we read it first or do we open it first?
Oh,
Let's open it first.
Yeah, open it first.